This is River Nyamwamba in southwestern Uganda, where floods tear through communities every year. Homes are lost, livelihoods shattered, and too often, lives are taken, especially among women and school-going children. Efforts are underway to fight back, but the challenge is massive and requires collaborative efforts. What if we empowered these communities with early warning systems to act before the waters rise? Welcome to the Climate Dialogues platform, where we share solutions, spark ideas, and work toward a safer, stronger future. Like, subscribe, and smash that notification button to stay updated with our new videos.